In this video, I am going to share how to add and verify sender's email address in OmniSend. The first step is go to the store setting option, then click the add senders and email address button. Click on the add senders email address button. Now you will put the sender's email address and your senders. Click on the save button and your sender's email address is added. The next step is after adding the sender's email address, most important step is the sender's email address verify. Click on the verify email button and you will click the send verification email button. OmniSend will send a verification email to the email address you added. Check your inbox and edit. Check the inbox and your inbox. Click on the verification link to confirm that you own the email address. Click the verify my sender email address button. Once you have once you have clicked on the verification link, you will be redirected to the OmniSend dashboard where you will see a message confirming that your email address has been verified. Thank you so much for my watching videos. If you have any question, please comment to me. I will surely reply for you.